The following GeoGebra screenshot shows a regression analysis of one student athlete's time to swim 2,000 yards in minutes along the y-axis versus the student's heart rate in beats per minute after swimming along the x-axis on a random sample of 10 days. Number one, what is the correlation coefficient? I know it's probably not too clear from the video, but the correlation coefficient is right here. It's labeled R. And it's negative 0.1234. Number two, test the significance of the correlation coefficient. Okay, to test the significance, we need to calculate the test statistic and then use the t-distribution to calculate a p-value. So we'll start with the test statistic, t, which is r times the square root of n minus 2 over the square root of 1 minus r squared. In this case, that means negative 0.12364 times the square root of n minus 2. If we go back up here, we have a sample of 10 days, so n is 10, therefore n minus 2 is 8. And we divide by the square root of 1 minus negative 0.12364r. That's r squared. And if we punch that in on a calculator, we're going to get approximately negative 0.3524. Okay, there's the test statistic, and now we have to calculate the p-value. The p-value comes from the student's t-distribution, where we have negative 0.3454. So let's say negative 0.354 is here. So what we're looking for, we make this symmetrical. What we're looking for is the area in the two tails. So, and this is T8. Therefore, we're going to get 2 times t-distribution twice this area, so 2 times t-distribution of negative 0.35241 and whoops, that's backwards. Let me try that again. We put in the degrees of freedom first, 8, and then negative 0.35241, and we punch that in to GeoGebra. So 2 times t-distribution, degrees of freedom 8, and variable value was negative 0.35241. 0.73363. 0.73363. Okay, so our p-value is 0.73363. So our 0.73363 is much larger than 5% or 0.05, which is the default level of significance. So we have to say that the slope or the correlation is not significant. Number 3, comment on how well the regression line fits the data. So the only comment we can make is not well, because the significance test indicates that the correlation is not significant. indicates correlation is not significant.